Hello and welcome back. Before we get started with today's puzzle, just a quick reminder to please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already. Those really help the channel out. Looks like today we're working on puzzle 98. Let's start with this row here. Looks like we're missing a 3 and a 9. We've got a 9 there. So 3 and 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 7. Same here, 2, 7. So our 9 has to be here. For this box, looks like we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 8. A 1 there, so 6 and 1. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 9, and I don't see any help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. For this column, looks like we're missing 2 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2 and 8. If we finish out this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For this row, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box then, we're missing a 4 and a 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9 and 4. For this column then, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got a 3 and an 8 here, so this would be our 6. A 3 here, so 8 and 3. If we do this row here, we're missing a 1, 5, and 6. We've got a 1 and 6 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 1, 6. If we look at this box, looks like we're missing a 2 and a 5. We've got a 2 there, so 5 and 2. And that 2 makes us our 7 and 2. So this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 6 there, so 9, 6. For this box then, we're missing a 1 and a 7. We've got a 1 here, so 7 and 1. Finish out this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, we're missing a 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 7. For this box then, looks like we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so there's our 9. A 2 here, so 6 and 2. That 9 makes us our 5 and 9. For this box then, we're missing a 1 and 4. We've got a 1 there, so 4, 1. And for this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 there, so 8. 5 there, so 9 and 5. And that is all for today's puzzle. Thank you again for joining me, and I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.